Hey there, email marketers. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Odyssey, and today I'm going to show you how to simplify your email campaigns and newsletters like never before with my email marketing and newsletter manager Notion template. Are you tired of messy email workflows, forgetting where you saved that email draft, or struggling to keep track of your campaign performance? Well, this template is designed to solve all of those problems, and it's beginner-friendly. So, even if you're new to Notion or email marketing, I've got you covered. Let's start with two of the key features, email writing and newsletter progress tracker, which comes with a calendar feature. You can track every email, schedule them out, and measure your progress. And because we all love knowing how well we're doing, you can monitor open rates and conversion rates right here. No more switching between tools. It's all in one place. Next up, the email sequences database. This is a game changer. You'll never have to waste time rewriting the same emails over and over again. Store all your sequences here, whether it's a lead magnet follow-up or a welcome series. You can reuse them, tweak them, and instantly improve your workflow. And if that wasn't enough, I've included 10 plus ready-to-use templates. Yes, you heard that right. From lead magnets to abandoned cart reminders, these templates are fully customizable and adaptable to any brand. Just pick one, add your personal touch, and you're ready to hit send. Now, if you need a little help structuring your campaigns, the Email Sales Funnel Framework will be your go-to. This built-in tool helps you plan your email sequences, ensuring every email nurtures your audience and drives conversions. No more guessing what to write next. It's all planned out for you. So, if you're tired of juggling multiple tools to manage your emails, this template is your all-in-one solution. It saves you time, keeps you organized, and most importantly, it helps you create emails that convert.
And did I mention?
You don't need any coding or technical skills to use it. Simple, clean, and super effective. Ready to give your email marketing a boost? You can grab this template with just a few clicks. The link is in the description below. And trust me, it'll transform the way you manage your campaigns. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Notion tutorials, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.